on, girl. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, hey. Welcome back. Just wanted to first start out saying on this intro to all my subscribers and the people watching, thank you for watching my videos and for the love and support that you've been giving me through these videos. Currently, we are headed yet again back to Medicine Park, but this one's a surprise visit. I gotta talk to the owner of the Honda S2000. Want to ask some questions. We have a couple surprise things coming up for it. He knows most of the stuff is getting done to it because he's buying the parts. But I got a few things that I'm doing to it that he doesn't know about, so hopefully he doesn't get mad. So I'll ask for forgiveness later, but first we're gonna head out there and talk to him about a few things because we're still waiting on the head. It should be here the next day or so, but maybe he'll be on camera and talk about his car a little bit. But we already are on the highway headed out there, so I got my day started a little bit earlier with my little Ol'glory. Ol'glory, if you're watching, I had to drive 30 miles to find a store that had the strawberry watermelon. Well, it is good. I like it. I also see that you have a fruit punch. I'd like to try that. But none of my stores around my town, my good old Easy Go and all that, say they can't get them. They ain't got room for them to even try to order them. I'm like, really? I just want them to order a case and I'll buy it. But they won't even do that. I might have to find another store that can do that. But right now, that's another reason why I'm headed out to Medicine Park, is to pick up a couple more of these strawberry watermelons. Because they're pretty good. Alright. Well, here's what's something funny. We are headed out to Medicine Park to talk to the owner of the Honda S2000. And I'm of course currently in Big Red. If anybody's been following me with Big Red, they know when I got Big Red, this truck only had 88,888 miles. Well, I don't drive very much like most people do in life. But, well, even though my videos show I drive, I just happened to look down and here, I'll try to shoot some whatever side video of how many miles is on the truck. Well, it is 89,906 miles, 0.5. Of course, in the video, it's a little less. I actually passed the guy's house for the Honda S2000 because I want to see it roll over to 90,000 miles. Oh my God, the sun. So we are at 89,907. Alright, well, we're doing one more U-turn, and this will put us to 90,000 miles. We're at 89,999 and a tenth. So we got 9/10 of a mile to go. Yep. So I'm glad that I got the camera going and got the cameras with me for this moment of it rolling over to 90,000 miles. Some of y'all are like, really? It's just 90,000. But one thing you don't understand, this is a 92 Ford F150 XLT with 90,000 miles. How many out there that have a 2006 or 2010 that has over 100,000 miles? We are at 0.5. Come on, we can do it. 0.6. 0.7. 8. 9. 90,000 miles. Yeah, I got it on camera. Love it. Love it. 0.1. Yeah. Sorry, I've never rolled over a vehicle that's under 100,000. It's kind of a big deal for me, I would say, but all right. Well, I'll turn the cameras off. I hope the other GoPro I've got set up on the dash captured it. I'm hoping. If not, I guess, man, I didn't even think about pulling over and taking a picture. Oh well, I am praying that the other GoPro Hero Plus captured the 90,000 turnover. I didn't even think about that. It's recording. I just hope I don't have a screen on it. I can't tell. Yeah. All right. Well, we're turning in to the guy has a Honda S2000. Maybe he'll be on camera. If not, well, we'll just go talk to him about a few things, and then we'll head down to the shop. But I don't have nothing to work on except for a Tahoe, and I got to detail it for a friend of mine for fixing the AC in the Big Red, because he had the machine, which he lets me use anytime anyways, but I told him since he helped me fix the AC in Big Red, I would go ahead and detail his car for him. But we are now at Medicine Park, the guy's house, so let's get ready and I'll head in there.
So I'm Noel. I am the owner of the S2000 that Dan and Glenn are getting back running. So I had a lovely head gasket go out, and on the number 3 cylinder, if I'm correct, is that right, Dan?
Number 1.
Number 1. So I was leaking coolant into the cylinder. So obviously that's not good, and it runs like crap. So Dan has been researching and figuring out what to do. We considered a turbo and some other things, and I decided I just didn't want to spend that much money. So all we've really done, other than they're getting the head fixed, the gasket and all, is we're changing the radiator to a aluminum dual coil radiator. We're putting in a cold air intake that actually goes all the way over the radiator, dishes down, drops in the front, and new exhaust. Headers and Invita Q300 all the way out the back. That's what we're doing. So they are getting close to getting it finished, and I cannot wait. I am so excited to be able to drive this car again and get out, drop the top with the summer coming, and just have a blast. So thanks to Dan and his amazing abilities, I will soon have my car back when he's finished. So give him a call, check him out, watch his videos.
Well, we're not just doing all that. We have a few surprises for him that he doesn't know about. So hopefully see those in the next upcoming videos. Well, we just got done with Medicine in the Park with the owner with the Honda S2000. He gave his little intro on the car. Well, we are still waiting for a few more parts for the car. But today, on the rest of this day, I have a Tahoe that I am currently in now. We are going to go ahead and detail this because a buddy of mine, the master technician that's helping me with the Honda S2000, fixed the air conditioner in Big Red for me because he has the AC machine and some stuff that I needed to fix the air conditioner. So I'm going to detail his Tahoe for him and debadge it. All right, after all day polishing this Tahoe and debadging it, so here you go. We got the Tahoe emblem off on the side gone, LS on top. Then we had some badging back here from the dealership, some other things, but I left him a little. Yeah, it's a Tahoe. You get it. Hey, Bobo, I'm my little helper today. Where you going? Where you going? Say hi. Say hi. All right, we're calling it quits. We're gonna load up, clean up, whatever, get this car back. Appreciate you watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.